Hello, my name is Flagan Waith, a graphic designer at Full Sail University. Throughout my program, I've explored and created a fresh new take on Nintendo Company Limited. Nintendo is a consumer electronic company that has provided customers with home entertainment products for the past 45 years. It was one of the first suppliers of these devices and was rated number one. As the market expanded and other manufacturers emerged, Nintendo is currently in last place for consumer popularity due to its bland personality. My first step in solving this rebranding dilemma was investigating the company. After careful analysis of the company and its competitors, it was found that of the three industry leaders, Nintendo ranked third. Nintendo's primary issues were inability to attract and maintain consumer interest, limiting its target audience, and facilitating little to no communication between the company and its consumer. In my initial research of industry leaders, similar color schemes and website layouts were found. Nintendo Company Limited did not take the time to differentiate itself from its competitors. To counteract this bland persona, the use of vivid imagery, brilliant colors, easily readable fonts, and innovative animations will be implemented. The Move: How to create a better brand identity. The mood board was created to make tangible the conceptualized look and feel of the fresh new Nintendo. During this process, the most stimulating ideas and concepts were selected to be included in the toolbox. Color. This was the first step in making Nintendo stand out and move away from its neutral color palette. The fonts will be outstanding and unique to the design, yet easy to read. As a means of bringing a less corporate feel to the book, serif fonts were excluded and sans serif fonts were selected for a lighter, more pleasant read. Vivid images would bring an association between client products and consumer lifestyle. The purpose of the images is to facilitate a sense of familiarity for the consumer, allowing the consumer to picture themselves in the image utilizing various products. Animation of the logo can vary, depending on the commercial. The code. The current brand strategy focuses on one specific type of target audience. This new brand persona will open up Nintendo's market to a variety of possible consumers through an innovative mixture of history and nostalgia. The mood will be set through the features previously identified in the mood board and toolbox. Lastly, an important step that will solidify the transition will be a change of tone and the language used. Currently, the tone is very simple and child-friendly. To appeal to a more adult audience, the language will be more mature and engaging, yet understood by most readers. The fix. Implementing the solution. A new line of products that both clients and consumers can use to show their support, which results in free advertising. The new logo, when animated, can symbolize the company theme and can have an accompanying tagline. The new mobile apps can be a resource for Nintendo to conduct research on what is trending with their consumers. The visual outlet allows consumers to access Nintendo's history and view some of the inner workings of the company. Events and takeovers. This approach takes point of purchase to a new level. By bringing the merchandise to the audience for free, it creates the opportunity for consumers who may have not made a decision to sample the products. The fresh new Nintendo proposed in its campaign project will successfully attract and maintain the interest of an expanded target market, resulting in a larger consumer base. Nintendo Company Limited will see an influx of new business, as well as significant returns, reoccupying Nintendo's place on the throne.